Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe! Hiya and welcome to Weekly Tips. We'll put some sense in your tip jar. Welcome today. Today you're joined by me, Daniel, and we are going to be drawing wings. So let's fly on into this and draw these wings. Yeah, so first out, drawing the wings, I find some good references. So I start off finding this reference here, which really breaks down the wings in general and the different feathers that are in the wings. Now, I feel the important part is the primary feathers, because with those, there are 10 feathers in their primaries, and they are really important for birds to have to be able to fly, and every species, it seems, has 10 primaries, whereas in the different sections that are here, the marginal covers, the secondaries and the secondary converts and the primary converts and the lulas, all those vary, I'm pretty sure. With the secondaries, it looks like there's two secondary sections there. There's the secondary and there's secondary converts, the primaries and the primary converts. As far as I can see, it looks like if there's 10 primaries, there's 10 primary converts. If there's 10 secondaries, there's 10 secondary converts in those sections. And then the marginal covers, that's the part that kind of feathers and protects kind of the bone structure and the muscles. That's where all the muscles are. The lulas seem to be a little bit of turning, but there's not too much interesting bits going on, but there's a few feathers there that just they come off kind of where your thumb would be if it was a hand, if that makes sense, Anywho, I delve into, in particular, a parrot's wing, and I take, that kind of knowledge that I've learned a little bit there and apply it to something a little bit more interesting again, just so I kind of understand it a little bit. And for you, you may need to go back and forth between drawing something very more scientifical, where you're understanding all the parts and things. You may yourself need to draw and write the different parts you are drawing, and then go back to this drawing, and then go back to to really understand what you are drawing. But you can see me, I'm kind of breaking it up into those sections that I understand. The marginal converts, and the under that part, which are the converts, and then the primaries and secondaries under that. So you can kind of see me breaking it up and understanding where things fit in this wing structure that this bird has. And really telling you guys again does help too, because I'm understanding it a little bit more now. I see in the parrot's feathers that there's the marginal covers there. There are a few, you can kind of see the lulas coming off there as well, and the big primaries, you can definitely tell the first 10 feathers are the primaries. I'm pretty sure he's not missing a feather. It's just that he's really directed those 3 feathers forward, as far as I can see. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't know all the facts about birds yet, and wings. And it depends on species to species, because like I said before, all birds have 10 primaries, but it varies on secondaries. Yeah. And, it's good to draw them in different poses. It helps you reinforce those understanding of, what you are learning. and things like that. So drawing them in other different poses can help. Now here I go for another pose where he's like pushing his wing down, not in an upright position. He's kind of hiding himself. Now I'm not 100% sure about that kind of claw coming out. If that might be part of his other wing, or if that's part of his actual foot, maybe scratching his wing. I'm not 100% sure about that. um, but yeah, I do draw that the best I can. And here you can see me doing the right hand wing as well. And this is important. You know, with the wing, it has a whole flow to it. On the upper bit, the where the bone structure is similar to how we do human human arms and legs. You know, you find that gestural pose that is going on with the drawing, and that is really helpful to know. The gestural pose here would be like that, and gestural pose here would be like that. They have a bend there, so that bend is kind of kept, and you can see the kind of overall shape. With this one, is kind of going up a little bit, then it goes fully down, and it does help to have that shape and know that kind of structure, to know where to fit all the wings. Same with drawing it in this view. All the wings are kind of in there, chucked in there, very tightly, but they are there, and yeah, it can be really helpful to know that whole structure of the wing, to draw them in those different poses. So hopefully that did help you draw the wings, and you do apply what I have to say, and you find these references that I found as well to help you out, because they are great references. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Keep drawing, everyone, keep creating, and see you in the next video.